First Warning neighborhood meteorologist Erica Horvatine, who's live in Stark County, where one road was washed out last night. Erica?
Hey, Tom. Yes, it was. And so that's why we are here today to take a look at this road that's still continuing to wash away here in Stark County. We did lose service a bit ago, but we have it back now to show you what this looks like and how this situation is progressing. You can see that there are two different washouts of this road, and it is starting to crack even more. And that's because there is so much rushing water that's trying to get through the culvert underneath this road. But that culvert is still too small. It was installed around 30 to 40 years ago when the ditch that all of the water from these farmlands flows into was a lot smaller, and we weren't getting as big of heavy rainfall events. So that's why we are dealing with this situation, and we could definitely start seeing this situation happening more so with this heavy rain. Now take a look at some of this information about all of the rainfall that we've been getting. It's been an above average rainfall month so far for the month of June, but the big problem is that all of this rain is really coming in big waves. Take a look below. You can see the rainiest days this month. There are 4 of them where we've seen between ½ an inch and 1 inch of rainfall all at once. And when we get these very heavy rainfall events, that's really causing a surge of water to go through these culverts. And then next thing you know, we have our infrastructure washing away. And this is something that's being more common across the country as well. Take a look at this. There are more U.S. downpours. There are more annual 1-inch rainfall events that are happening compared to normal. You can see from 1950 to 2018, that number has risen, that number of 1-inch rainfall days. So we're seeing a lot more of this happening. And even here in South Bend, when we do have these very wet days, we're getting more and more rain on these wet days. So say when we do get our very heavy rainfall day, instead of getting 1 inch of rain, we're getting more like 2 or 3 inches. And even just yesterday, within the last 24 hours, we saw 1.07 inches of rain, and that's definitely the cause for this road washing away behind me. Coming up, well, actually, nope, Tom already did his full forecast, so that is it on weather. Live in Stark County, I'm ABC 57 First Warning Neighborhood Meteorologist Erica Horvatine.